The realm of FPV drone technology and aerial videography is currently undergoing a seismic, unprecedented upheaval, a true paradigm shift catalyzed by the aggressive and highly strategic launch of the DJI Avata 360. This is not merely an incremental product release, it is a profound declaration of technological supremacy and a calculated, high-stakes move against a backdrop of severe geopolitical and regulatory pressure. The looming December 23 deadline, a critical regulatory flashpoint that could trigger a de facto U.S. import ban or place the company onto the FCC's covered list, has fundamentally accelerated DJI's product roadmap, forcing them to unveil a device that literally redefines the standards for 360-degree aerial capture and integrated FPV performance. The Avata 360's essence lies in its revolutionary dual functionality and transformative engineering, positioning it as the definitive next-generation drone solution. This powerful market offensive is explicitly aimed at neutralizing the first-mover advantage briefly held by competing spherical cinematography platforms and their perceived dominance in the immersive video niche. Where competitors saw a lockdown market leading up to an anticipated January 2026 consumer availability date for their own integrated 360 consumer drone, DJI executed a perfectly timed counterstrike, a testament to superior supply chain agility and R&D velocity. The drone's successful and rapid FCC certification on November 19 signaled to industry analysts and drone enthusiasts globally that a pre-deadline retail availability was assured, forcing an immediate, panicked acceleration of competitor launch schedules to early December. DJI's technical response is not about competitive mirroring, it is about absolute architectural superiority. The core innovation that distinguishes the Avata 360 is its patented, dynamic, electrically actuated rotating camera module. This mechanism fundamentally transforms the drone from a dedicated spherical capture rig into a high-speed, forward-facing FPV beast with the simple press of a button, making it the ultimate hybrid aerial platform. The imaging subsystem features dual 1/1.1-inch CMOS sensors, capable of generating breathtaking 8K resolution video at 50 frames per second in its comprehensive full 360 degrees capture mode, concurrently producing 38 megapixel panoramic stills that set a new benchmark for ultra-high resolution aerial photography and content creation for platforms like Instagram and YouTube Shorts. The sheer versatility of this transformer drone is its key selling point, unlike rivals permanently restricted to the 360-degree workflow, which demands constant, intensive spherical footage stitching and processing. Even for simple, linear tracking shots, the Avata 360 instantly pivots to a conventional high-performance FPV mode, delivering pristine 4K resolution at 120 frames per second. This feature alone drastically reduces post-production overhead and rendering time for professional videographers and YouTube creators. Furthering its structural brilliance, the engineering team introduced an immensely resilient, protective carbon fiber and thermoplastic polyurethane cage, a spherical exoskeleton that is fully field removable in under 30 seconds. This design philosophy, heavily influenced by hardened racing drone kinematics and acrobatic FPV chassis, allows the Avata 360 to endure aggressive maneuvers, including tumbles, barrel rolls, and fully inverted flight, without the risk of propeller damage. The drone operates with an internal mechanical free rotation compensation system, while the captured footage remains flawlessly stable through the proprietary Omni stabilization algorithm, which leverages advanced Rocksteady 3.0 and the revolutionary Horizon Infinity technology for hypersmooth, horizon-locked output, which some describe as borderline magical in its execution. The power delivery system has been critically upgraded. The 38.67 WH6S LiPo battery, featuring a 67-watt discharge rating, provides a 26% capacity increase over its predecessor, the Avata 2, extending practical flight endurance to an estimated 25 minutes. This significant power efficiency and extended flight time offers a decisive competitive advantage over rivals limited to projected 15-minute flight ceilings, a crucial factor for long-form cinematic takes and commercial drone operations. Safety and navigational awareness are paramount, with the integration of for front-facing sensors combining high-resolution visual cameras and cutting-edge LiDAR technology, supplemented by 2 additional side sensors to achieve true omnidirectional obstacle avoidance capabilities. particularly vital during high-speed FPV runs and complex cinematic maneuvers. The Okunk 4.0 proprietary video transmission system guarantees an industry-leading maximum control range of up to 20 kilometers when paired with the new goggles N3 and the highly intuitive RC Motion 3 controller, ensuring robust and low-latency video feeds for demanding long-range aerial missions. From a market penetration standpoint, the pricing strategy is notably aggressive and disruptive. The Fly More combo is positioned at $999. A clear and strategic undercut against the anticipated, much higher analyst projected price points for fully configured competing units, which were expected to range between $1,300 and $1,700. However, the regulatory nuance remains a critical differentiating factor. The Avata 360's takeoff weight is approximately 377 grams, placing it above the common recreational drone licensing threshold of 250 grams in many jurisdictions. This contrasts sharply with rivals who deliberately target the 249-gram weight class to bypass mandatory drone registration and pilot certification paperwork for casual users. This subtle difference defines the core market segmentation. DJI is unequivocally targeting the professional creator, licensed operator, and serious FPV enthusiast with superior features and endurance, while competitors target the entry-level consumer who prioritizes regulatory exemption. This entire clash transcends mere specs and feature lists. It is a reflection of intense market positioning under extraordinary regulatory and political pressure. Should the crucial December 23 security review not conclude in DJI's favor, the Avata 360 risks being among the very last major consumer product launches to legally enter the United States market for a potentially extended period. The device, therefore, stands as a technological and commercial capstone, a final, powerful statement of innovation and market dominance executed under the gravest of commercial threats, making this drone not just a product, but a vital piece of technology history and a crucial tool for advanced aerial content creation, FPV racing, cinematic drone footage, 8K video production, spherical content, vlogging, digital storytelling, geospatial mapping, infrastructure inspection, flight autonomy, next-gen stabilization, and unmanned aerial systems.